Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pickled cabbage. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 1 medium head of cabbage, weighing approximately 2 to 3 pounds. Also, prepare 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 4 cups of filtered water. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds and 2 cloves of garlic. Finally, ensure you have a clean 1-gallon glass jar or ceramic crock ready for fermentation. Now let's prepare the cabbage. Begin by removing any damaged outer leaves and the tough core. Next, shred the cabbage finely. A mandolin or food processor works wonderfully for this, but a sharp knife is also effective. Transfer the shredded cabbage to a large bowl and thoroughly mix it with the 2 tablespoons of pickling salt. Massage the cabbage for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes soft and releases a good amount of its own liquid. With your cabbage prepared, it's time to pack it. Tightly pack the salted cabbage into your clean 1-gallon jar or crock. As you layer, sprinkle in the 1 tablespoon of caraway seeds and the 2 sliced garlic cloves. Press down very firmly to remove any air pockets and ensure the cabbage is fully submerged in its released liquid. If the liquid doesn't cover the cabbage, prepare a simple brine using 1 tablespoon of salt per 4 cups of water and add just enough to cover. Finally, let's talk about fermentation and storage. Place a weight on top of the cabbage to keep it fully submerged beneath the brine. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a clean cloth, allowing air to circulate. Ferment your cabbage at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. This process typically takes 3 to 10 days. Once it reaches your desired tanginess, transfer it to the refrigerator for long-term storage and enjoy your homemade pickled cabbage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.